Welcome to Home Decor Inspiration, the ultimate destination for all things interior design. Ranch-style interiors encapsulate the spirit of casual living and a connection with nature, drawing inspiration from the American West and the simplicity of rural life. Rooted in the architectural style of ranch houses, which are characterized by their single-story, open floor plan, and unpretentious design, ranch-style interiors embrace a relaxed and inviting atmosphere. These interiors seamlessly blend indoor and outdoor living, creating a space that is both functional and connected to the surrounding landscape. Imagine a ranch-style living room with large windows that overlook sprawling countryside or a natural landscape. These windows bring the outdoors in, allowing an abundance of natural light to flood the space and emphasizing the connection to nature. The color palette often echoes the earthy tones of the outdoors, with warm neutrals, shades of brown, and touches of green. Contrastingly, envision a ranch-style interior with vaulted ceilings adorned with exposed wooden beams. These architectural details evoke a sense of rustic charm and a connection to the elements, while also adding a touch of grandeur to the space. For those who appreciate simplicity, consider a ranch-style kitchen with open shelving and wooden countertops. These functional elements echo the practicality of rural living while also promoting a sense of openness and accessibility. Picture a ranch-style bedroom with rustic wooden furniture and cozy textiles. The emphasis is on comfort and relaxation, creating a space that invites rest and rejuvenation. Natural materials, such as leather, wool, and reclaimed wood, are commonly used to add texture and depth. Incorporating natural elements is essential in a ranch-style interior. Visualize a dining room with a large farmhouse table made of solid wood, surrounded by wooden chairs that exude rustic elegance. The use of natural materials creates a warm and welcoming ambience. Consider a ranch-style bathroom with stone or wooden accents. These natural textures contribute to a spa-like atmosphere, creating a space where one can unwind and connect with nature. Texture and material play a pivotal role in amplifying the impact of a ranch-style interior. Imagine a living room with a cozy area rug made of natural fibers like jute or sisal. The tactile quality of these materials adds to the overall comfort of the space. Ultimately, ranch-style interiors reflect a laid-back and unpretentious lifestyle, celebrating the beauty of simplicity and the connection to the land. These interiors offer a sense of tranquility and a retreat from the fast-paced world, inviting residents to enjoy the comforts of home while embracing the natural world around them. In conclusion, interior design is an exciting field where creativity flourishes and spaces come alive. We hope this video has inspired you to recognize the transformative power of interior design and start your own creative endeavors. Whether you are an experienced designer or just starting to explore this fascinating world, there is always something new to learn and discover. If you liked this video and found it informative, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We appreciate your support and look forward to sharing even more exciting design ideas with you in the future. Thank you for joining us on this journey, and remember that through imagination and creativity, you have the ability to turn any space into a reflection of your unique style and personality. Happy design!